Alright, here we go. Welcome back to Rhino Fishing TV. Good morning. It's bright and early Sunday morning. You may not even be able to see very well on the GoPro, but I'm out here at my home lake, St. Mary's Lake in southern Maryland. I'm going to see if I can put some numbers in the boat today on the soft plastics. Tried an MTB Slam yesterday that was top water centric. Didn't have much luck with that until I went to the long worm. So I'm going to concentrate my efforts on that today, see what we can do. Let's see what we got to put on this thing. Put one of my faves. The old suspending vibration. As I recall, it was this time last year that I got that thing in an MTB and kind of fell in love with it, so to speak. Starting out pretty slow again this morning. Maybe I shouldn't have blamed it on the mystery tackle box yesterday. Maybe they just need that sun to be up to start moving. I don't know. But I hope things pick up like they did yesterday. All right. First blood. I don't know, probably about a 13-inch fish. Missed him. Definitely had to bite though. Dinker number 2. All right, numero 3. Nice little fish. I'm gonna have to go with a new bait. What are these things called? Cabin Creek 5-inch creature. I only got 2 more. Had a bump there. What'd he do? Yeah, I'm down to my last one. Stuck him that time. Dinker. Number 4, I think. All right. Barely felt you bite till you were on there. Another dinker, number 7. Another dinker, number 7, I think. Dang, that dude didn't wait for it to go down. I hope I can get him to the boat. He was probably pretty decent. He's all right. Get up in here. I rather enjoyed that. Sorry about tearing up your cheekbone there. There's a little one. All right, be still. It's a pretty good one, I think. No, it's not. But happy to have him. He might be the best one of the day, which ain't saying much.